When life gives you a lot of lemons, what to do? Well, let's make lemonade, and that also sugar-free. To make sugar-free lemonade, I am going to use monk fruit classic sugar. Now, any kind of diabetic friendly or keto friendly sweetener can be used, but I found this monk fruit sugar really helpful because it doesn't have any aftertaste. That's the key I like about it. So let's get started making sugar-free lemonade. Roll the lemon and cut into half. Juice out using the juicer or squeeze out using hand. Pass the freshly squeezed juice through sieve for pulp-free lemonade. So here I have monk fruit sugar and I'm using classic. It says over here that it is gluten-free and non-GMO, 0 calorie, 0 glycemic index, 0 net carbs, naturally rich in antioxidants, safe for diabetics, no aftertaste. That's the key I want in my desserts and cocktails, drinks, or anything that I prepare. So I'm going to take half cup of monk fruit sugar, and it exactly looks like regular sugar and works exactly like a regular sugar as well. That's why I get the confidence of cooking or baking easily with this monk fruit sugar. Into the pot on a high heat, take monk fruit sugar, half cup, and 1 cup of water. So basically I'm making concentrated syrup first, and no need to wait until any kind of string consistency. Just cook to melt sugar. Once the sugar is completely dissolved and water looks clear again, turn off the stove and let it cool completely. Now the easy part, into the pitcher add prepared syrup and the ice cold water. So that was 1 cup of water and I'm taking 3 more cups of water. And finally, here I have 3/4 cups of lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice. So our sugar-free lemonade is ready, and now you can puree some of your favorite fruits and add into your lemonade. So basically you can use this lemonade now as a base for many other cocktails. So I'm going to put that on a side a little bit, and here I have the blender cup, and into the blender cup I'm going to take some strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, look at these colorful berries, and blend it. Take lemonade. So this is basically going to be our pink lemonade, and then using the strainer, get the pulp of your favorite fruit. Now I'm not saying that this is sugar free because it's a natural sugar in the fruit, but look at this pink lemonade, the best cocktail ever. Once the sugar-free lemonade is ready, there are a lot of other cocktails can be prepared using the lemonade as lemonade as base. And here I have my pink lemonade ready. Very tangy, slightly sweet, the flavor of berries, and the tanginess from lemon. So now making sugar-free cocktails is pretty easy. For this holiday season, do try out this recipe and I'm sure you will absolutely fall in love with it. Lemons are very nutritious and very helpful to fight common sicknesses, and so I prefer to make lemonade at home because my elder son Drew, he is a big time lemonade lover. And as you might be knowing that I have a huge tree in my garden, and this time the tree is about to fall apart. We got so much lemons on it, so I've been preparing fresh lemonade, and I then flavor it up with maybe ginger sometimes ginger mint. So once you have the base of the lemonade ready, you can just prepare other cocktails just easily, because it has that zesty and sweet and sour flavor. You can easily make so many cocktails using basic lemonade. You can make even pink lemonade by using some berries, pulp, or whatever, any of your favorite. It could be even like mango, so mango lemonade. And preparing lemonade is so much easier, and you will absolutely love to prepare lemonade at home once you watch this video. And another thing is that you can make even the concentrated lemonade if desired, if you do not have so much of space into the refrigerator. But my son usually prefer like ice cold kind of drinks, and so I prefer to just go ahead and make the regular lemonade instead of preparing concentrate. But you can always use cold water and ice cold water later, so you can go ahead and make concentrated lemonade as well. So once I have lemonade ready, I prefer to store in a good container like this, but you can just use even the glass or mason jar or whatever you store your drinks in. And I am ready to try it out. Very cooling and very refreshing, just as lemonade. Now think if you add some flavors like a ginger, mint, oh my god, I can't tell you, you would never go back to any store-bought juice or ready juices. This is just perfect. And I normally don't need too much of juice. I just need like this much of amount. I am not so much kind of a big fan of a juice, and specifically not the store-bought juices, not at all. So this, it's kind of my everyday vitamin C shot, not just vitamin C but many other nutritions as well. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I know it's a very simple making of lemonade, but I thought that I would like to share the option for a sugar-free lemonade. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also download Bhavna's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android, and many other mobile devices. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android, and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire, or YouTube app itself. Thanks for watching and see you soon.